Hi Lavanya,
Hi, ma'am.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I'm fine.
Okay, so this is Aruna from Quality Department. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. So congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself?
Yeah, I am Lavanya from Davangere. I am from Davangere from Jain Institute of Technology. I passed out in 2023.
Okay, fine. So how did you get to know about CMTI?
From my friend was suggested to go for, and my senior also suggested to go for CMTI.
Fine. So which course you have opted here, Lavanya?
Designing codes.
So what and all you learned in that?
Yeah, they prepared me well for SketchUp interior design, and they sent to industries and factory visits also, and internship also they sent.
Okay. So how was your internship?
Yeah, it's nice. We know all the knowledge about factory, how the working and process will going on in factories, and in construction also we know how the construction will going on up to finishing.
So you have some basic idea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about your site visits and all?
Yeah, SR, we go to SR project site visit.
Fine. So how was your trainers?
Yeah, they train very well, and we understand.
So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, better you join here. Yeah, you learn more things. They provide so many internships also. Like we want wherever we go.
Okay, fine. So thank you. Thank you so much for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lavanya.
Thank you.